Afternoon, welcome to my vlog. This is my favorite. The Pinpin welcome to my vlog. Today is Sunday. You know, it's only month of May, but the temperature here anyway is very hot already. It became more hotter in June to August. Summer here is very long time. How many months? Starting April up to August, end of August. Anyway, I'm here again in WTC Mall. I need to buy something. Anyway, happy weekend everyone. Today is Sunday. It's a family day. Enjoy your day together with your family. I hope everyone be able to spend time with their family. Because family is the most important gift from God. I'm here in Lolo. The shop. They have so many small shops here down. When you are tourist here and you want to buy a souvenir, you can buy here in the WTC Mall. They have so many souvenirs here. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, comment, suggestion, and upload. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Time to the grocery.